Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You act fast. Power off both AirPods and pull them from the case to stop short circuits. Remove silicone tips and give each bud a firm but gentle shake to eject trapped water. Doing this now prevents deeper damage. Use a lint-free cloth to pat dry the exterior and charging contacts. Make sure to avoid high heat or hair dryers because excess temperature warps components and pushes moisture inward. Once surface moisture is gone, put the AirPods and remove tips in an open container with multiple silica gel packs to draw residual moisture. Leave them undisturbed for 24 to 48 hours. Make sure to avoid rice, which is less effective and can introduce dust. You can set a gentle fan to circulate air, but do not use compressed air or heat. If the mesh looks clogged, brush it lightly. Avoid pouring liquids into ports. After thorough drying, reinstall silicone tips and place each bud back in the charged case. Charge briefly and then pair with your device to test sound, mic, and controls. If one or both units misbehave, reset the AirPods by holding the case button and retry pairing because software glitches mimic hardware faults. If sound is still muffled, carefully clean the speaker mesh with a 70% isopropyl swab.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.